Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you send a message on your Zoom app, or you go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Zoom app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on time chat here, so that it's going to take us here in this list. So then all you have to do now, so you just here you will find all messages you have or your contacts. You just click here on this contacts here, then it's going to show for you like this, and here can you send a message here. So that's all you have to do to send a message on your Zoom app. And here can you send a voice messages here, and here can you send a photo or file or give here, or so video message. So here can you send all this on your chats. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.